Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry sausage with shredded potatoes. Hope you like it. This recipe is easy to make and tastes so good too. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredient: sausage, potato, onion. Peel and shredded potatoes. Pat dry shredded tomatoes. Drizzle cooking all on baking sheet. Drizzle cooking all on shredded potatoes and mix well. Air fryer for 10 minutes at 160 degrees. Peel and shredded onion. Sliced sausages. Stir-fry shredded onion until aromatic. Add sausages. Add shredded potatoes. Add the seasoning powder. I use Thai basil leaf seasoning powder. It tastes delicious. You can also try it. Friends who know me know that I have fallen in love with this Thai seasoning powder recently. Of course, this is not an advertisement yet. Of course, I welcome for any sponsorship yet. Plate sausage. This recipe is easy to make and not spicy at all. It's suitable to eat by most people. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Potatoes for health and nutrition. They're rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. Potatoes were a life-saving food source in early times because the vitamin C prevented scurvy. Another major nutrient in potatoes is potassium, an electrolyte which aids in the workings of our heart, muscles, and nervous system. Onions are high in vitamin C, which may help regulate your immune health, collagen production, and iron absorption. It's also a powerful antioxidant that could help protect your cells from unstable, damaging molecules called free radicals. Onions are rich in B vitamins, including folate and vitamin B6. While sausage is a good source of protein, it is best consumed minimally due to its high sodium and saturated fat content. Sausage provides valuable nutrients when eaten in moderation. That said, red and processed meats are linked with a higher risk for heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and premature death, so it's important not to make sausage an everyday food. Thai basil contains many vitamins and minerals, including vitamins C, anti, fiber, and antioxidants. Vitamin A is known to have antioxidant properties and is essential for vision. It also required for maintaining healthy mucosa and skin. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.